Dapat yung galing.
Earlier, you might have noticed that our tribal chieftain was praying for the birds for divine intervention. And that's usually very common because birds are used as biological indicators. In fact, if you happen to be in a calamity and you see birds flying up ahead in a circular motion, that's usually a good indicator that it is not safe to return. So please look for these kinds of signs. In every disaster, we are given a chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes, and to learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and conserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution. That ends our show this morning. We hope you had fun. We hope you learned something new and more important.